Hi, my name's Tom Cunning. I'm from Washington State on the west coast of the U.S. I came to Bulgaria for the dental work that I needed. Um, I found it extremely professional staff, modern equipment. From the first day I was here, things went very quickly. I was an absolute painless experience from what I had in the U.S. Approximately 8.5 years ago, I was having extreme problems with my teeth. I'm a smoker. Um, I went to the dentist there. They did bone grafts. Cost me almost $20,000 for over a year. I had bone splinters coming out of my gums. Uh, it was extremely painful. I had to go to work some days with my face all blown up. Um, I started researching on the internet because it seemed like implants weren't feasible for me at the time in the US because of the waiting period of 6 months, because I was a smoker. The success rate wouldn't be good. I researched the basal implants that were provided here, and I found that there was good success with even smokers. Um, so I came over here uh, first time 8.5 years ago, and in a week I was out of here. The experience was painless, fairly painless. There was a few days that was a little intense, but I got through it okay. In 1 week, I was out of here. For 8 years, I had no problem with my teeth. But while my experience here, I had four lower teeth that my dentist in the U.S. advised that I keep as many teeth as I could. Dr. Nuri advised me to remove them and complete the implants there. I didn't listen to him at the time. It was a big mistake. Um, 8 years later, my teeth became infected in the fronts they were my original teeth. And I ended up coming back. And the procedure took me, I think, 3 days total here. The biggest torture session was not being able to eat solid foods for 3 days while the food here is so great. Um, it's been a great experience. I would advise this for anyone that has the issues that I had. The driver from the airport, it was very easy. I stayed at the Hilton Hotel, which is not very far. I walked back and forth between office visits. It was easy to get here. So in the conclusion, I'd like to say that I'm extremely happy with Dr. Nuri and his team. I found him very experienced and professional. Um, the equipment was very modern, techniques, the pain. Um, I don't know what they use for Novocaine here, but I have never experienced where somebody could give me a shot and then remove a tooth as fast as they did without pain. It was impressive.